All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is March 8th, 2024. My name is John Kerrigan. I moderate the BYOB trading room. Let's take a look at some charts. Okay, so here's SPY on the daily chart. And let's pull it up on a blank one. Okay, so here's SPY making a brand new all-time high, but deep pullback to the top of the 3 EMA. Right here on SPY. So SPY produces higher low, higher high. Closing, it's going to be tight. I'm going to say just inside. I'm going to say just over the bullish trap, over the 17 EMA. But new all-time high for SPY. Let's take a look at SMH. SMH, new all-time high, closing inside the trap over the rising 17 EMA. Total bearish engulfing right there, but made a new all-time high. Let's take a look at XLF. XLF, higher low, higher equal high, closing over the bullish trap over the rising 17 EMA. There's XLF. Let's take a look at IYT. IYT, new 2-year high, closing inside the bullish trap over the rising 17 EMA. Let's take a look at XLK. XLK, new all-time high, closing under the bullish trap, between the bullish trap and the rising 17 EMA. Let's take a look at QQQ. QQQ, new all-time high. Seems to be a pattern here. Closing under the bullish trap, and actually between the bullish trap and the rising 17 EMA. Diamond Dow, higher high, lower low, closing inside the bearish trap but over the 17 EMA. IWM, new 2-year high for IWM, closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA. FNGU, big outside candle here, bearish engulfing. FNGU, lower high. FNGU produced that higher high. So FNGU is now back in an uptrend. All right, so they have to break this low to be back in a downtrend. FNGU back in an uptrend, but couldn't quite hang on to it for too long. Looks like maybe a millisecond, and then they lost it. All right, so FNGU daily closing below the bearish trap, below the flat 17 EMA. All right, so FNGU, that's not good for SPY. All right, let's go take a look at SLV, silver, higher low, no, equal, yeah, wait. Looks like lower low, higher high, so almost bullish engulfing there, right there. Higher low, no, lower high, higher low. Closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA. GLD, new all-time high, closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17. New all-time high for GLD. All right, so let's take a look at USO. USO closing between the trap and the 17 EMA. Lower high, lower low. UNG, probably not looking good. UNG closed with looking like a higher low and a lower high. Closing under a bearish trap, under a flat 17 or a waffling 17 EMA. Let's take a look at our technicals. We were in the overbought zone for a couple hours. Then we fell into the buy zone. Started making lower highs and lower lows on the T2122. T2123, we gapped up, just kept making lower highs and lower lows throughout most of the day until the end of the day. Looks like we made a higher low. T2123 3-bar, trend indicators catching up with some of the price action after gapping up. FNGU rallied into the resistance right through here, couldn't make it through, came back to the uptrend line right there, so back through the flat 200 here, couldn't even bounce there. That's not good. And bouncing off of, had a little bounce, little rubber band action right there at the uptrend line. And at the end of the day, we made a higher low. So there's FNGU. All right. So that's it, traders. We will see you all on Monday. Everybody have a beautiful weekend. Thank you. Hope you all made some money. Let's look forward to next weekend. All right. We'll see everybody then. Any questions before I take off? Thanks, Robert. You too. Everybody have a beautiful weekend. Yeah, nice MMRP on Apple. That was, yep. That was a winner. Yes, Ed, I will take a look right now. Yep. All right, traders, that's it. Everybody have a good day. Have a good weekend.